stocking. Did Santa come?
Yeah.
Where's your sock? What one's yours?
This
This one. That one's yours.
one.
Take it.
Oh.
Oh, wow,
Is
Unai.
it heavy? Go sit down. Sit over here. Look, Renee, this is yours too. Look, wow.
What's that?
Cool. Look at these. Look what I have.
Oh, Santa knows your favorite.
Those are chocolate. And this is mine too.
Yeah. Look, Renee. Well, we will. We have to look at all our presents, but look at this. Is this once? Look. Once there was a boy block, a new one.
But I have like that at my home.
I know, but this one's about a penguin. Wow, what's this?
And what's that thing?
Well, let's look inside. Is it a? It's a sticker book. Yee! Chocolate. What's this? What's this? What will we help you?
Not fun.
I'll help. Let me help you. Here, you look at your socks. See the more presents, and I'll open it for you.
Look, I can.
Pull it here and twist it. There. Now open it. Do you want me to help you, baby?
Unai, let Mommy help you. It's going to be all melted.
Look. I did it. Wow, it's chocolate.
Hey, give me your garbage. Look, Una, you've got a puzzle. You want to look at your puzzle?
It looks cute, but it's going to take everybody at school.
And you, look, a placemat.
Yep.
So when you eat at the table, you don't make it messy. Okay, open. What else is in here? Pull it out.
What's chocolate?
Okay, what's this?
Mama, blue.
It is the same, yup. Open. Whoa, car underwear. Una, look. What's that? It's a really big hexabug.
I won't open it.
Okay, I'll open it and you look inside.
Mama. This is another chocolate.
Wow! More chocolate.
Another blue. Another blue.
Yeah, what else do you have?
I'm a chocolate boy.
You're a chocolate boy. What else? What else is in your sock, Larry? Besides chocolate.
Can I open this?
Yeah, I'll open it, but keep opening your sock when I look.
What else do I have?
Do we have her
This is from a coffee shop.
Oh, you think Santa went to the coffee shop?
That is from a coffee shop. But can I open that?
When I look, you have airplane underwear.
Yeah. The fly.
Wow, what's this? Pull this one out. Stickers.
Are you buying me one of these? But I see those with you.
What?
You see those with you.
Oh, Santa must have known that you saw them.
With you?
Hey, what else? Open more presents. Nice, these are already.
Another one. Look. Same.
When I look inside. What do you see? What did Santa bring you?
All the same stuff.
Okay, you want to go like this? Look!
Scissors!
Craft scissors! Just like you wanted for so long.
And cut.
Yeah, you can make crafts. And look, glitter glue. So we can do crafts.
Glitter glue.
Okay. What else is in here, Unai? You really want to dump it?
Look what I got.
Glow sticks.
Oh.
Wow.
And some light.
No, those are glue sticks. So we can do crafts.
Another glue stick.
Where the heck's it go?
Look at
What else is there, Renee? Look in your sock. Mama's gonna take this off. Look in your sock.
Oh, Mommy.
Here. Wow. Socks.
And look what I got.
Yeah. Oh, look. Storytime cards.
Story time cards.
Yay. Do you like what Santa brought you?
But why did Xbox go by itself?
Because he's fancy.
Oh!
What's going on? That's gross. It's supposed to back up when it sees you. These things are crazy. Well, this is a fast one. I think we have to do it on the floor.
Unai, is your sock all finished? Look at Auntie. What do you say to Santa? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Look, Unai.